some of the reports that we have, the pre-built reports that are, by the way, customizable, that comes on the system. So, for example, if we select the group for the Windows databases, Windows applications on the Windows database here, that's representation of all those Windows applications. And we click on reports, we see a great number of pre-canned reports. Each of them, as I've said before, we show that later, can be customized. For example, if here we click on events by type, we have all the type of events that happen in here. We can sort those by alphabetical order, and for example here at the end we can see add users. We can investigate what are the users that have been added into the system, and there's a great deal of reports already created. We can do the same thing, for example, on here next to it on COS. So if we click here on reports, we're going to be reporting on COS data. One that might be interesting here is this one, the RACF special bit access. That we remember that we saw this one before. Remember that the list that we saw before with user privilege was started with Jimmy Brown. Well, here are all the others that exercise the access right of the special bit, and particularly Mr. Brown seems to be having everything that he did is policy exceptions. You may want to investigate each and every one of those particular events. And as before, we can always, get all the data that Jimmy Brown did. We can get all the data on that particular platforms, etc.